Hi, I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter, and I have another question that was posed of me for this Ask the Big Game Hunter sequence. So here's the question. I was let go from my last job at the end of my 6-month probationary period. How do I address this in future job applications and interviews? Now, there are two ways to do this. And I would hope you'd view both of these as truthful answers and not just lie to people. So here's answer number one. And that those are under the circumstances that, I was brought on for, let's say, a contract to hire opportunity, or I was hired as an employee with a 6-month probation. At the end of 6 months, the work that I was needed for wasn't necessary, and I was let go. I can see where maybe they viewed me as a temporary solution for an immediate need that they had, and I was let go at the end of the 6 months. So that's one way of answering it. Now, here's what I can read between the lines, and that is maybe your performance wasn't that good, and you were let go at the end of the probationary period. So here's the way to respond to that. I was hired with a 6-month probation. And the fact of the matter is, I didn't perform as well as I could have. I made mistakes. And, I've been thinking about this and working at it. And I've taken their feedback to heart. And I can assure you that I've learned my lessons here, can resolve the issues, and, I'm ready to roll. So that's the second version of how to answer that question, where you did screw up, and you can't deny it because they're going to background check you. So pretending like there was no problem whatsoever won't work. If there were problems, you have to acknowledge it, indicate you learned your lessons, and move on. I'm Jeff Altman. Hope you found this helpful. Come over to thebiggamehunter.us. I've got a lot more there that you can watch, listen to, or read that'll help you find work more quickly. And if we're not connected on LinkedIn, send me a connection request at linkedin.com/in/the-big-game-hunter. By the way, if you have questions for me, schedule time through my website or through prestoexperts.com. I'd be very happy to answer your questions. I'm Jeff Altman. Have a great day.